here's our white quinoa. Wawash pa natin. Then we'll also cook cauliflower, shrimp, with shrimp, carrots, and chicharon. Ayan. Gigisa na yung quinoa, sabi nito. And lalagyan natin 1 cup yan. 2 cups of almond milk. And then, yung sa garlic, cauliflower natin, we'll use garlic salt. Yan. Sana masarap ang ating lunch. It's Holy Saturday today. Use na natin sibuyas for our quinoa. We use olive oil. At saka yan ang gas na rin natin. Ang ating quinoa. Then, nalagyan natin ng 2 cups. 1 cup ito. 2 cups almond milk. Aspartame. Nagisa natin ang quinoa. Tapos, lagyan ko ito ng 2 cups na almond milk. In 20 minutes, yung ating quinoa to cook. Sana magustuhan ni Papsi yan. Sunod natin ang shrimp, carrots, and itong cauliflower, and chicharon. Lagyan natin ng patis and later garlic salt. Ang ating gulay. Yan, ang ating quinoa is being cooked. Ayan, kumukulo na. Haluin natin. So, our quinoa looks. Ayan. And here's our gulay. Hindi ko pa nilagay ang shrimp. Ayan, kung nalimugot ang cauliflower. Ayan, Kat, ganyan ba ang quinoa? Kulang ba sa, kulang ba sa milk? Not sure. Ganyan ang aming quinoa. Luto na ba yan? Although 5 minutes pa, sabi 20 minutes eh. This is our gulay. And fry na lang yung tilapia. Ay, may salmon, kaya lang frozen pa. Mamayang gabi ko iluto yung salmon. Cheers for lunch. Holy Saturday.